By default, a lot of times your Facebook account is linked to your Instagram account. However, we can always unlink the two so they operate and function completely separately and independently. I'll show you how to do that on my iPhone, but it's the exact same steps if you're on Android or a computer. So let's jump right in. Let's just open up the Facebook or Instagram app. You can do it on either one, but I usually like to do it on Instagram. From Instagram, tap on your profile at the bottom right, and then tap on the three lines at the top right. Once you get into the settings, tap on Account Center at the top. And you can see under Profiles and Details, I have 5 profiles, including my Facebook and my Instagram accounts. Next, tap on Manage Accounts at the very bottom. And then look for the Facebook account that you want to remove. In my case, it is this Facebook account. Tap on Manage next to it. And then tap on Move Out of this Account Center. After you've read through this, just tap on Move Account, and it will walk you through exactly what this does. When you're ready, just tap on Continue, and then read through this and hit Yes, Finish Moving. Now, after you've done this, you won't basically delete your account or remove anything from each account, but now they will operate completely separately. Keep in mind, you can always add them back to the same account center if you choose to do so. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.